If you lie in bed scrolling your phone, knowing you should work,
but still do nothing, and later regret the entire day, this video is for you. Laziness is not a lack of motivation. Your brain is designed to choose comfort over effort. You feel lazy because tasks feel too big. Your phone gives instant dopamine. And deep inside, you fear failure. In Atomic Habits, there's one powerful idea. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Write one sentence. Start small. Action kills laziness. Stop waiting for motivation. Allow bad starts. Bad work is better than no work. When you feel lazy, don't quit. Just do 30 seconds. Momentum will do the rest. Create a lazy-proof system. 5 minutes movement. 1 page reading. 1 small win. Never miss twice. You are not lazy. Start today using checklist. You are just using a broken system. Fix the system, and your life will change.